The EDSA rehabilitation project will begin within April, just a slight shift from its original March start. It is expected to be wrapped up before President Bongbong Marcos's term ends. Transportation Chief Vince Dizon and MMDA Chairman Don Artes want to assure everyone there is no delay in the project.
Ang mga meetings namin constant. Pero doon mo makikita yung seriousness ng ating Pangulo na talagang siguraduhin na planado to ng tama. Kasi siguro mas kakabahan ng mga kababayan natin kung bigla-bigla na lang namin ginawa to na hindi namin pinano ng tama.
Masyadong komplikado yung paggawa nitong EDSA na hindi pwedeng bigla-biglaan ang desisyon eh. Sabi niyo nga, maraming moving parts eh. Na hindi pwedeng ito lang kasi may effect sa iba. So kailangan namin pagtama-tamain lahat.
Transport officials are focusing on ways to minimize traffic disruptions as repairs move forward. The DOTR, MMDA, and DPWH are working closely with local government units in Metro Manila to roll out a traffic management plan that will keep things flowing smoothly. Secretary Dizon reassures commuters that the EDSA bus carousel will remain in service during the overhaul, and the MRT-3 will continue to operate as usual. Plus, additional mabuhay lanes will be set up as alternate routes for motorists. According to Secretary Dizon, this is the first time in almost 50 years that EDSA will undergo major repairs.
Baku-bakong daan, hindi pantay-pantay, maraming mga butas-butas sa ibang lugar. And it's not a very comfortable ride for our motorists. So this is really something that we must do.
Pagkatapos naman ito, nakikita natin na may ginhawa dahil hindi na kayo mag-slow down pag may nakita lubak, yung smooth yung karsada, understand, kasama drainage na gagawin. So yung pagbaha sa EDSA, mawawala.
Secretary Dizon is asking for a little patience and understanding from drivers and commuters during the project, but he promises that the end result will be a lot more comfortable for everyone. For BNC Mobility, G. Baroga.